Just got back to the car. We are going to go down to the lake right down there, and we're gonna make some lunch. I'm gonna do a little paddle boarding, wash the dogs off because they're kind of muddy, and then we're gonna go find a camp spot. We just got to the lake. I blew up the paddleboard that we got off Amazon. I'm gonna just take it for a little spin. Let's see how it is. The water is freezing. Do you have your thermometer? I don't know. It's cold. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I just felt a raindrop. Nothing to hold my phone, so you're just gonna get this front view of me, I guess. It's starting to rain right now. Starting to rain now. Probably gonna get off the paddleboard and we're gonna go into town and get a steak and then go find our camp spot. It's cool though. Pretty cold. Woo! Woke up. We are currently in, well actually we're near Ouray, Colorado. We just camped here last night. It was actually super nice out. All got a really nice sleep. Today we are going to look at our itinerary and see what we have planned. We actually plan out our entire trip. Normally we have about 2 or 3 ideas of what we're gonna do in the day, just in case like something goes wrong and we can't do another one. We just have, you know, a couple ideas, so we're not spending time looking on our phones and trying to figure out what the heck we're gonna do. So we just plan every day out almost. And so far we've actually been able to stick to it. Sometimes, you know, things happen, you are running late and you can't make it to the other ones, but then we just go to option B and we still find cool places to go. I'm going to show you our camp spot right now. We have to lay right by the water, which was actually like really relaxing last night, and it was awesome to wake up to. There's not a lot of bugs. I did slip in some mud last night, so wearing my socks, I'm wearing my pants, got really muddy, but whatever. We're probably gonna be in a hotel either tonight or tomorrow night, just so we could do our laundry, wash all of our dishes, obviously shower and relax. But we're supposed to do another hike and another off-road trail. Let's start the day off right. This is our little creek view. Eric put his tent down already because we're actually going to move it a little bit. It's our camp spot. What are you looking at?
Footprint.
Man cave?
Oh, it's a little seat.
I swear I saw some poop up here. Look at, there's poo right here. Maybe, is that poo or charcoal?
I don't know what the fuck it is.
At first I thought there was an animal that stopped by last night. I don't know.
I thought I heard something walking.
Here's our mountain dog. Woo! breakfast and stopped and did some work. Now we are heading to one of our other hikes. Today we're gonna try one of the new flavors, guava. Yummy liquid IV, add into our hydro. Use code CHECKYOURALTITUde for 25% off. And then you also will receive free shipping. We're about to start our hike. We just had an issue that someone did not dig a hole for their number 2. They did not cover it, and my wonderful dog, Pa, decided to roll all up in it. So we had to give him a nice little bath. So that was great. Probably have to give him another one because he stinks. But we're about to start this hike out. Let's get to it. Nice. We just stopped at this cool little spot. Starting to get a little bit chilly. It actually looks like it's kind of snowing up here in these mountains. It's getting cooler. We're just hanging out. And I think we're going to just go a few more miles, then head back and try and hit up the lake to do a little bit more paddle boarding.
Oh, look at that hawk!
I know, he was just in my video. I wonder if I got it.
Get that out there?
Hopefully I'll have to see.
It's like a falcon.
Yeah. But we're gonna try and go to the lake, and then we're possibly gonna hike or camp tonight. I don't know.
Get it right, Ken.
I never know. It's hard to record and talk and think about what I'm gonna say. This is very hard to be a YouTuber. Yeah, I can't walk and talk, can't chew gum and walk. Impossible.
Really
You
close.
almost got that
One
one.
more time. Oh!
One more, but watch Hawk. Hawk, come here.
Come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Come over here. Hawk, come here. This way.
Hit right on the bottom by that branch. Woo! Timber. Get it, Hawk. Get the stick. Get the stick. Get the stick.
Look at the termites, dude. Have you ever seen
Good
termites?
boy. Get it.
They look like ants with
It's a
just
good
one-
boy. You got your stick. I had deja vu, okay? I remember driving down that road and I was like, last time we drove down here, there was a bunch of deer. And I was about to tell him, hey, make sure you're going slow. And right when I was about to tell him, there was a deer that was about to run out in front of us and I slammed on the brakes. Yeah. Yeah. It was scary. Third, fourth,
Did she
five
just run
times.
into that
Yeah.
thing?
This is like the fourth time that I've hit you with the hydro.
Get him. Go get him. She's like afraid of the stick. Go get Hawker. Yeah, go get him. Go get him.
I hit her in the face the other day.
Oh, no.
Accidentally.
Get him, Pete.
She likes to just like walk right on my
Get him, Pete.
Sedona's a bum and doesn't like to chase after the sticks. She's like, yeah, Huck, go get the stick and then I'll come get you. Good boy. Ooh. Get him, Sedona, get him. Sedona, we should let you out by all the cows. Dogs got really dirty, so instead of putting them in the back of our car, they're just gonna chill. We just found the lake. We're gonna take the paddleboard out. I bought this paddleboard off of Amazon. The link will be below in the description. It's actually really awesome. It inflates and deflates extremely fast and easy. If you've seen like any of our other videos, I can do it like super fast. Comes with a pump. Just pump it up. It also has like this like really awesome stopper, so it keeps the air in. So if like the pump comes loose, or I don't know, if you accidentally hit it, I'm probably just gonna paddleboard in my clothes because it's kind of cold. And yeah, let's do this. How's it going? They did really good in the back. Like Hawk was just hanging out, and then Sedona just kept on looking at us like, how dare you leave me? Can you walk down this in sandals? Yeah. Are you just waiting for me, or?
You gotta pay $5 to get through.
You're the trill. Alex, you go in front of me since I have the backpack on. Okay. Trills have to pay.
$10, both of you.
Yeah, this one's not even as bad as that other one. Yeah, babe, work it. Show me those muscles that you work for so hard in the gym. Alright, so we found another reservoir to just go in, to paddleboard, to watch the sunset. I tried to hook up the GoPro and it just like on a normal stand. I really need to buy something that makes it so it's like eye level. So if you have any recommendations, leave it in the comments. Let's paddleboard away. I think I'm gonna change the angle. I'm still not really good with standing up on the paddleboard, and my knees like killing me. So I'm just gonna chill on my knees. Paddleboard's freaking awesome though. So easy to set up and set down. It's alright to hike with. It's definitely heavy, or I mean I guess maybe like 20 or 30 pounds. Whew. Hi Hawk. Did Daddy put your life jacket on? Oh, you did? Hawk loves the water, so we have to keep him in a life jacket, or else he won't get out. Usually when we paddle, I just like leash him up to the Arcadia Trail leash or rope, and he'll just stay in the water the entire time. And then sometimes he's really good at like knowing when he's tired. He'll just get up on the board. Alright, I'm gonna try and stand up. Woo! I don't know how people paddle like this, babe. I have like the worst balance ever. I really need to practice on the Bosu balls. I just put like a short paddle on. Goodbye, Colorado. Hello, Utah.